Hi guys, today I will show you how you can build one of these cool micro MOCs. Let's go! And with that, the build was done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Stacking bricks, we're kings of the build. From the ground up, every space is filled. Got my minifig crew, we're rolling deep in the Lego world. No time to sleep, brick by brick, we rise to the sky. Lego dreams, we're flying high from city streets to pirate seas. We're building up our legacy. Lego cars, castles, no limit at all. In this brick life, we stand tall. Master builders, we make it right. Every block placed out of sight.